Them no want drop it when we want drop it, you know. Them want drop it when them want drop it. And woman will hold it for weeks.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Been up for a little bit. Had a cup of coffee already. I'm thinking to have a second cuppa. Nana is over at Tessie's. I wonder if I should head over there for a little bit, say hi. Yeah, so just here chilling. It's Sunday. Not sure what's happening today. We're actually going to cook a Sunday dinner today because Nana is here. So Momo did up a pot roast yesterday, seasoned it and everything. And so on the menu today is pot roast, rice and peas, and I'm thinking to do roasted potatoes, something like that. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, that's that.
Alright, good morning MTM family. Wagwan. It's a glorious Sunday. If you can see behind me, the sun is out in all its glory. I like a system, the pass over Jamaica were there, but now we're good back again. Look like say, you understand? The sun of people. Last night we finished watching House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon?
House of the Dragon.
House of the Dragon.
Eh?
No, but we're not gonna go outside after this, my G.
Lock the door, keep it cool.
Yeah, so
There.
okay, use this light now. I was trying to show them the outside. Our flowers, they're pretty.
Oh, the
Watch
flowers
the
do
sun.
look good.
Yeah.
I was so worried one of those. Oh no, that one looked like it did.
Wait for dead.
Oh no, it died. It never take.
How come?
I knew it wasn't going to take, you know.
She's nobody now remember for water it.
Oh no, it's getting watered. It's just that it didn't take root.
Oh,
You understand?
so that one they catch better.
This one did a little better.
So the
but
brother and sister then.
these really did the best.
So after watching House of the Dragon, we said we're gonna watch a little Game of Thrones for old time's sake. Tami was out
In 5 seconds.
before the king come at King's Landing.
No. Really?
Yeah,
It was that bad?
yeah. Hey, but the episode nice though, you know. I wonder if we can watch it back.
Yes, we can.
I just treat the finish disappointing, make sometime in a two.
But I don't remember the ending, so that's good news.
Yeah. And guys, also we just made a post on Instagram a while ago, right? And the post have bare people are laugh and bare things are going, but I want serious posting of people because you know I don't think men get enough credit for being the bigger ones in an argument a lot of times to say, yo, you know what, make a drop it, make us just go back to, you know, our lovey-dovey self. You know, let's put that argument behind us. Women always are willing to drop an argument on their terms. Them no want drop it when we want drop it, you know. Them want drop it when them want drop it. And woman will hold it for weeks. When we just did, I said, Jesus and peace, she can't drop it now.
Weeks, I never hold nothing for weeks against you.
Huh?
Weeks, Wayne.
Till
Oh,
me I get
God.
weak. Till me
Never.
get weak.
Never.
But men don't get enough credit for being the ones who want to take the high road a lot of the times when it's time for patch back things.
It's
you
true.
see me? We need for
But
talk about this
you guys
more.
don't understand what we need. So I always tell Wayne, on the first try, I'm gonna give you the cold shoulder. No, I'm not ready. But I want you to try again. And I always tell you, like, you can fix anything in my world with a hug and a kiss the second time.
Because I was going to say, yo, but try that no.
But it's the second one I want. It's the second one.
No.
Yeah, man, it's a second try. Like me tell, second one are the one. That's the one. You see, because what I go so. But then we'll wait to see if you're going to come back.
Women,
Don't give
my
up on
God.
us.
Men in the comment section, you can talk up yourself. Women, just be honest. Just be honest. Just say, I am that girl. I am that girl.
I don't want to be, but I am.
Show them the pose and I gotta have a laugh.
Oh, no. But before I show them the post, y'all know that post. You know I don't be throwing nothing at my man. We don't be throwing nothing.
Oh, God. No, it's just funny. It's funny. Come on now. Come on now.
Condone it.
Come on now. Can't dash water in a bad man face.
No violence.
Hi, Scooby. Hi, Scooby. Give me hugs. Come. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Yeah, I'm tell you so. I'm tell you so. Hey, girl. Give me hugs. Give me hugs.
Once please follow me.
No, bro.
No.
Later we'll play some, alright? Hi, guys.
Hi, Daddy.
What's up? Everything good, Mizzy? Div one killer. That is it.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Atlas.
Hi, Ari.
Hey, listen, this girl are talking now. Yeah, conversation I get more and more every single day. What you got some new? Alright, this look good. Dumpling and fritters and everything hot and nice.
Hey, hold on, let me turn off the music.
No, but wait, Tami come out praise and worship in a full like Virgin Mary. How are you dealing?
Oh gosh. I just felt like wearing something nice today.
You represent purity.
You have nowhere to go.
No man,
But
Tami,
just because
come
you don't
out.
have or you think you'd have nowhere to go doesn't mean you shouldn't get dressed for the day.
No man,
I'm getting
like
ready.
it.
I'm getting ready for my blessing, baby.
I feel like go in there, go put on my white shirt and my Sunday best.
Don't match me. What you have on looks perfectly fine. I only have to go to the supermarket though, because I forgot to pick up all-purpose.
No, I need to get some breakfast or something in my structure.
But you can't eat too much because we have a big Sunday lunch.
Lunch?
Yeah.
What time will I eat?
Like 4 o'clock.
A lunch you call that?
Meaning, it's almost 12 now. If we eat too much now, you're not going to want to eat again.
No, I'm not going to eat enough. 2 little fritters and some dumpling in there still.
Yeah, we do have that. So. Ready?
Yeah.
No, I feel a little self-conscious now.
Why?
Shouldn't wear this?
No, man, the way I say,
You
man,
like
come
it?
out, man.
For your name is holy. Holy.
Tami, what are that? Eh?
Where y'all go?
Wait, to your Momo to Tami. Where y'all go? Tami, but now lie, you look like you expect the rapture today.
I do like this, mommy? No, okay. Let me go change. Ivy said she don't like my dress.
No, man. Ivy just said she want a dress.
Change it right now. Change it right now.
The mother, they pay you like white pan rice here.
Not playing with it.
Think it go so the school term?
Sure, man. I bought these mics, guys, so that you guys could hear us better when we're in the car. And of course, I forget them in the room. You gonna remind me?
Yeah.
Oh, Tessie calling me. Hold on. Sorry about that. Anyway, we are on the road now. We are about to go run some errands, including getting a battery for our gate opener, which is, one of those things that, like, if you don't do it today, you'll never do it again. Why this so high up, babe? What am I do?
You love trouble when I trouble you, man.
Let me see. That look a bit of. Yeah, that look.
Not never did do it,
Why it's so lean?
You heard them say if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
I think I broke it.
No, it lean.
Drama this. I can't get it even. Anyway, whatever. So we'll go and do that. Is what scrape here so in?
How long?
Is the same one that?
Yeah.
Mine,
Mine what?
Mine.
Mine over matter. Nana there.
She's at Tess,
She'll come now.
supposedly.
Okay.
We're just going to have a little easy day. Guys, you have to help us convince Mommy to just stay a little longer. I don't know how long she's here for, but however long she wants to stay, little longer. Jamaica look good at Mommy, Trust
Very
me.
good. And guess what? MTN probably should read the comments. So in the
She
comments,
love the comments.
in the comments, say, Nana,
Yes.
just a little bit longer, Nana. Love
Just
keep
a little bit
growing.
longer.
Just a little bit longer,
Yes.
Nana. That is the
Yes.
hashtag. They have a hashtag. It does say just a little longer.
She
Nana.
will know what that means.
Yeah.
Do you remember I told you guys I took a week off of the gym, and I took about 2 weeks off of eating properly. I've been eating non-stop. But everything starts back tomorrow. Sometimes you have to do that, you know, you just have to take a break, give your body a little break, and then just at them again.
Notice you take a little break too.
Yeah. Oh, also, yesterday was Gio's birthday, so you can leave some happy birthdays in the comments for Gio.
Gio is
He
19.
Yes.
And he's a fine teen.
He's a fine teen, and he's having a happy birthday. He was in Greece for his birthday. Very nice. So we got a chance to have a chit chat with him yesterday, and he's having a good time. And then today is Yendi's birthday.
Yendi.
Woo! The amazing Yendi Phillips, who I call friend, and I hope you see this, Jens. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Dizzle.
Dizzle, happy birthday to you.
Yo, me and Dizzle are forward from like
way back.
You young teens, you know,
Yeah.
young Nino.
Really?
Yeah.
And Yendi is like one of those people who I just love right off the bat. Like, she's one of those people who, you know, you just click with people sometimes.
Yeah,
I think it's because she's a Virgo too, and Tessie's a Virgo too. Some of the closest women in my life are Virgos. I love Virgo women. They're very, you know, them just say what them say.
And she has the sweetest little son and the sweetest little daughter.
Yeah, I love her. So happy birthday, Jens. We love you. Anyway, after to finish up what we started, and let's get going. Right? All right, let's go. I mean, I feel so innocent in this white dress.
Yeah, innocent.
Effie, may I have to film the stall in a car? Sean said to me, say him feel so good when him see the stall. Well, Sean, we're on the stall. Renee, we're on the stall. Anton, we're on the stall. It's time for a visit again.
Yes.
Hello, we never catch him on the blog the last time him come, you know.
You never catch him?
No. So I'm never gonna catch him now again.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want. Alright, I'll take some pineapple. I smell it. It smells so
really
good.
Nice.
Is the sugar pine where you give the guy?
Yeah. You know, you want to say flowers.
It's in the bag. Auntie Colette taking care of me, man.
Oh, okay.
I win.
What?
Colette, she wants her Sunday dinner.
Sunday dinner they will start cooking at college.
It's a cook. Momo late. Yeah, right?
The bag of cane.
Bag of cane, Auntie Colette. And look, guys, see the coconut water here? Wow. 1 sweet pepper, 1 pear, 2 pound of tomato, and tangerine.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks, Peter.
Nana, you talk to yourself. Nana, I'm mad out. Oh, God. Oh, you have it here.
I'm talking to my friend. Hold on, Dennis.
Okay.
Talking to my friend.
Okay.
You know, the earphones.
Okay.
Wait, come sneak up on me, talk about Nana, you chat to yourself. I didn't even know you were
Tell
here.
Auntie Denise hi.
Hi, Auntie Denise.
That 107, bro.
Hey, you. Gunky. Hey, girl.
Oh, yeah?
Where's Zaya?
Some chimney.
Oh, okay, yeah. It was funny. It was a funny vlog.
So your hair.
Yes.
Zaya. Hi, Zai. What? You play a game?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Come.
Here.
Where are we going?
Look. Mama's hair.
Yeah,
You love
Momo
too
is
much
here.
sushi. Oh man, I don't ever let it go. Yes. Flower girl. Nana, what you say? You feel sweeter up.
Yes, but we must go away.
That is it here?
This is a good thing we just born the
Oh
other day. We must go
no,
away.
she didn't mean
You
it.
can't say that to Nana who look after you for the first 6 weeks of your life.
You need to say Nana just a little bit longer.
Just a little bit longer.
Just a little bit longer.
Just a little bit longer, baby. Cause my love keeps
Going stronger. A little more time to stay in my head and someplace.
You really look innocent.
Only the look. Only the look.
I will put on my dress later to wonder if it work for me.
Yeah.
Momo,
Innocent look.
Momo, come show me what going on in pot now.
Oh God.
You know, MTM love to see what you are going.
In a pot, yeah.
Should I make a mac and cheese?
Yeah,
No?
make it if you have the ingredients. Oh, pot roast. Hey, you know, say, of all the things that Momo cook, this is one of the best things when she cook. She always bingo with the pot roast. I mean, I want goat mouth it and now still, but she have it locked.
Really can't miss.
Can't miss.
She
Never
can't
miss.
miss it. Even if she get one little pig with it bad when him was alive.
Yeah, fix him.
Fix him.
Cook him down.
Mo, you know what I want to ask you?
So change of plans.
Okay.
I'm going to play a game of Sprite and Malice with Auntie Tessie, and then later when I'm finished, I'm going to come and read with you in here.
Okay. Well,
So,
I'll be reading until you come then.
All right. Wait. So when I come, you're going to stop reading?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be reading that long, bro. Because your Sprite and Malice games can go on.
Yeah.
Alright, go enjoy your game.
All right.
I'm in here reading.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
The specials is out.
Yes.
People, when I tell you that this drink is our favorite drink, you must believe it. You must believe it.
Nah, like Auntie Joy. Auntie Joy spends with a powder me.
I think she would love this blend.
With that blender. Honestly. This is, did I tell
You
him?
already did,
Tell
yeah.
him that you sure?
Yeah, man.
Cause I want to make sure so when they mix it correct, you know, because
Yeah, man.
this can't miss, you know, if you
Yeah.
follow the instructions, what we said earlier. So, like angostura, like apatan, and a splash of bitters with the muddled orange. So
Yeah.
you cut your orange and you muddle it in first, muddle it, squeeze it down in it, and you understand? Skin and everything, and the perfect drink.
Thank you. Cheers. Oh, one of those are yours or no?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
No fears,
You have to have a sip.
no tears. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Delicious. When it's the best drink. It's a drink of the
Only
century.
problem with this, I have to drink it slow.
I can't.
I think you drink it so quite refreshing and
It's so good and
It's a junk,
tasty.
you know.
Oh, Jesus. Not like that. Yes, man, Tessie. Tessie like she deep in a heaven. Don't is a good drink?
It's so refreshing.
oh my god.
Here, wait.
refreshing.
Oh my
I'm not
God.
gonna work the
It's made
bartender
it
Ah!
today.
Not a
That's
burp.
why.
I'm not gonna work the bartender today.
Yes.
Cheers, Tessie.
When you have to make up a batch.
Put it in a picture.
Come here, can't bother with every time anybody wants back and forth.
Oh my
I'm
God,
gonna
this
catch
is
a
delicious.
batch measurement.
It's so good.
This is dangerous, you know.
Yes.
Because you just drink it off.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ivy?
Reach a half, clear a half.
Jesus Christ, I forgot to look for the children. We're playing hide and seek.
Queen, open that something there for me.
Come Zion.
Where is she?
Where is she?
Next side.
Where is she?
There she is! Count? Okay, we're gonna go count.